My transmission is hot. Same day as me doing 0 to 60. The car is still fine. Only thing that was going on with it when I was racing all the other cars was my transmission was still like super hot, like 204, 203, and I'll show you right now. It's still like in the 190s. Yeah, as you can see, it's still in the 190s. So. And this is the RIPP Supercharged V6. So yeah. Now they were runs for fun. This wasn't anything that was just that serious. He was ready when I was ready. We both ran it. I don't know the guy, but kudos to you. That was fun. And yeah, that was rolling. That wasn't even from the 0 to 60. So I'm pretty sure I told everybody, but the goal for this year is I'm going to be grabbing a Hellcat. I'm still going to have a 6-shooter, and that's going to be an awesome daily. Obviously, it's a really fun car. We have the forged stars, which are going to be going on the car for whenever we take it to the track. And this is the air compressor that I'll be using to paint everything. So I just need to get an outlet put in. I already have all of this. I already have my air drying system. I've already shown y'all all of that. But yeah, so also one last thing. So the tuner, Mario, said that the car is only about 75% of the way where he wants it at, as far as motor. We haven't been doing a whole lot of TCM tuning. We just had to lower first gear a little bit so that it wouldn't be doing the bucking thing whenever I was shifting, that it would shift a little bit smoother. And we're still on 93 octane. We're not even on E85 yet. Stock fuel pump, which I'm going to be upgrading to the 525 Walboro fuel pump. And also We're still on stock trans, stock motor, unopened, and we haven't dynoed up the car, so we don't even know how much it makes yet. So just keep that in mind. And I will be driving down there to Far, Texas, to get the car dyno tuned by Mario, and we'll see how much it really makes there. Hopefully we'll have everything done on the car by the time we go down there, so there won't be any like excuses or anything. There's still some stuff I want to change on it. I want to try to get a custom intake manifold. That would be sweet. And I really want to see about us doing the trans and everything, because I'm tired of it heating up as fast as it does. Whenever I try to do some rolls, I can only do like 2 or 3 of them before the trans hits like 205 and then starts to go into like protective mode. So also, I gave that man everything he wanted. Gave him a 40, gave him a 60. He even honked it off on one. So that was straight up for fun runs. So this car fun. My homie Scotty Nino just got a scat, and he's surprised too. So I appreciate you guys, and like I said, I'm just keep on going. I didn't come this far to just give up. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. This has been Lucky, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.